Now children, after teaching number line, I am going to teach you about like and unlike fraction. And before starting this topic of fractions, I want to discuss something about importance of fractions in our life. When we see our body is divided into fraction form. You can see our palm is, fingers, they are divided. We can relate this fraction with chemistry and physics while doing the equations, solving the equations. Moreover, we can relate it with the history also. Why? In the history, you must have seen many monuments. You must have gone to Delhi to see so many forts are there, even in Lucknow also. You have seen that dome on the top of the building, and from inside, the dome is there. And from inside, you must have seen that it has been divided equally. From inside, the design is made equal. It has been cut equally, the dome, to make the designs in the form of lotus. They are given the design of lotus. Even the lotus temple you must have seen. Equally, the petals are there, equally divided. Right? And they have divided the pillars also to make the, for carving also they have divided the pillar equally. So fraction is in our life. When we you look around, you see your windows, again equally divided. You see the doors, equally divided. You see even your cupboards, equally divided. We cannot divide it, if we divide anything unequally, that is not fraction. So they are fraction equally. So now we will start. And one more thing I want to show you. I have made this, dividing the circles equally, and made this rangoli. You can make the similar rangolis, many more designs you can create by using this equal fractions of the object. You can cut the circles, you can use newspapers, you can use various objects around you, even the cloth bags which are available in the market. You can make various mats also with that by sticking it. So this is the like fraction. With fractions we can make number of things. We can use this concept of fraction. If you know the concept of fraction, you can use in various fields to make any crafty items or to construct any furnitures, etc. So let us start now with a new topic, like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions which have same denominator and different numerator. Let us write now. What are like fractions? Like fractions are those like fractions. They have a same denominator and different numerator, like we have, for example, we have 3 upon 30, 4 upon 30, 5 upon 13, and we have 6 upon 13. See, the denominator is same, but the numerator is different. Now, how we come to know that which one is the fraction is the largest one and which is the smallest one? Now, when we say this, that out of 13 part we have used 3, out of 13 part we have used 4, out of 13 part we have 5, and after 13 out of 13 part we have 6. Now, if I just take it with the concept of marks. If you have given exam, in English you have got 3 out of 30, in maths you have got 4 out of 13, in social study you have got 5 out of 13, and in science you got 6 upon 13. If I ask you which is the highest one, what you will say? You will say that mark, the highest, whatever the marks I have got is this. This is the highest marks. Okay. So similarly, in like fraction, in like fraction, we see the numerator to denote the greater or less, which is the highest number, which is the lowest one. For example, if I say 6 upon 13, it is greater from 5 upon 13, and this 5 upon 13 is greater than 4 upon 13, and this 4 upon 13 is greater than 3 upon 13. So this is what we have done is in the decreasing order or descending order from greater to the smaller. This is called descending, from big to small. Descending means downwards. We go down. We go down. That is called descending. We go down, or we call decreasing order. Decreasing form. Okay, we go to decreasing form now. Now, this is not one more example I give you all. Let us do one more example of like fractions. Like fraction, thus only you have to see is the numerator. Denominator is same, so you don't have to see that which is the denominator. Only you have to focus on the numerator, because numerator lower highest we will see from there only. The smaller number or the bigger number. Now let us do one more example. 4 upon 11. If I give you 4 upon 11, 8 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11, or we say 7 upon 11. Now again you see these are all denominators and these are all numerators. Now denominator is same, as you all know. In the like fraction, denominator is same, so you don't have to focus on denominator. You have to focus on this number. That is the marks. You just consider is that it is your marks in different subjects. Alright. Now which one is the smaller? 4 upon 11 is smaller than 5 upon 11, because 5 upon 11, because when we open this mouth towards any number, that is the bigger number, and then this number is the smaller one. Then 5 upon 11 is smaller than 6 upon 11. Then 6 upon 11 is smaller than 7, and 7 upon 11 is smaller than 8. So this we have done what? See, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what? Ascending order. This is what? Ascending order, or we say increasing. When something keeps increasing, when you go from down to up on the stairs, from small to bigger one, that is increasing order. This is clear, children? Like fraction, we have to only focus on the numerator. Denominator is same in the like fraction. Alright, and you can just consider that this is the total marks, and out of that total marks how much you have got, and you have to arrange it in the decreasing and increasing order. Now we will do about unlike fraction. Alright, let us now I'll teach you about unlike fraction. Now I tell you about unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Now, unlike fraction is the fraction which have numerator same. Now here the numerator is same, and different denominator. Is that clear? Now here the denominator is different, numerator is same. That is, n is same, but D is different. Now I'll explain you with an example. Alright, now I'll explain you this with one example. For example, if I take 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, we have to focus on the denominator, not the numerator. Now you see denominator 2 and 3. You will say that ma'am 3 is greater than 2, but no, it is not true. Let me give you the example. Now take a chocolate, divide it into half. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Okay, now take the same chocolate and divide into 3 parts. Now see, we have divided into 3 parts. Okay, which one is greater? This one is greater or this one is greater? Obviously this part is greater. So we will say that 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. We will not see the numbers, but the smallest number is always greater in unlike fractions. Alright, in unlike fractions, smallest number is greater. Always see the denominator. One more example I will give you, and you will understand this and try to understand this concept of like and unlike fraction. Now one more. 11 upon 8, 11 upon 8, 11 upon 15, 11 upon 5, not 15, 11 upon 5, then 11 upon 6, and then 11 upon 25. Now again see, all the numerators are same and denominators are different. Now which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? This is the smallest because number is bigger. The number which is big is the smallest one, that is 11 upon 25 is smaller than, next one is 8, then 8 and 8, 11 upon 8 is smaller than 11 upon 6 and 11 upon 6 is smaller than 5. What we have done? We have done smaller to big, that is ascending order. छोटे से बड़ा किया हमने. This is called ascending order. क्यों छोटे से बड़ा किया? जिसके ज्यादा टुकड़े बनेंगे वो सबसे छोटा होगा और जिसके सबसे छोटे टुकड़े, कम टुकड़े बनेंगे वो सबसे बड़ा माना जाता है. ठीक है, इसी तरह से उल्टा करेंगे. अगर मैं कहती 11 upon 5 is greater than 11 upon 6 and 11 upon 6 is greater than 11 upon 8 and 11 upon 8 is greater than 11 upon 25, ये हमारा क्या बन गया? बड़े से छोटा. ये बन गया आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Okay children, so this much is clear to you. We have to focus in like fraction. We have to focus on numerator only the numerator, the upper portion. Denominator is same in like fraction. Alright, and we see the number, if the number is big, the number is bigger, is the greater number. Then in unlike fraction, we will see the denominator because numerator is always same. So denominator, when we see the number which is more, bigger, is a greater number, that means that is the smallest one. And which is the smallest number, that means that is the greater number. And don't get confused in that. Thank you, children.